multiplying binomials, so two-term things, with leading coefficients greater than 1. So we have numbers other than just letters. So we have two ways of doing this. There's probably other ways, but easiest that I can think of are either with a foiling, which is distributing, which means those arrows, or the area, which is meaning make a box. We're going to show both ways to do it in this video, and we're going to start with the arrows. So when we're doing the arrows, we're starting with the first in both of them. So this is 2c times 6c. The next arrow is going to be 2c times 7. If it was a negative, remember to keep your negatives with it. So this is 2c times 7. And then we start doing the bottom ones. So this is a 5 times 6c. And then a 5 times 7. 5 times 7. And just remember, things are positive unless I see a negative in the problem. I don't always write my positives, but I will for my answer. So then I multiply these two together. So numbers with numbers, letters with letters. So this is 12c squared. There's nothing here, but there's another term, so I'm going to put a plus. 2c times 7 is 14c. And there's a plus. And then 5 times 6 is 30. Still with a c. And then plus 35. We still have to combine like terms because these two have the same exact letters, same exponents on it. So my final answer is going to be 12c squared plus 44c plus 35. Now, if I decided to do it as the area method, what that works with is I write the first problem either, the first binomial, either across or up and down, but I'll do it across. So I have 2c, so this is the first term. I have plus 5. So I'm going to keep the sign, the plus or minus, close to that second term. And then I'm going to write the other one vertically, so in the other direction. So I have 6c, and I have plus 7. I'm going to give myself bigger boxes, so plus 7. And then I'm going to make a box so that it's thinking of what gets multiplied by what. All right, my box. A little bit messy. I should have used the line tool. All right, so these are my different things, and now I'm going to multiply whatever's on top of that, the row, the column with the row, to get those terms. So this box right here, the upper left, is going to be 2c times 6c. Multiply the numbers together, so I get 12, and there are 2 c's, so c squared. This one is going to be 5 times 6c, so numbers together is 30c. And then bottom left is going to be 2c times a positive 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. And I have a c. And then this bottom one is going to be the 5 times 7, which is 35. Now, you still have to combine like terms. They will be in the boxes, generally in a diagonal, but look for the ones that match. When I'm looking for the ones that match, I have these ones and this one. So then I'm going to write my terms in order, starting with the one with the highest exponent going to the one with no exponent. So I have 12c squared. I'm adding these two together. So it's 44 plus 44c, and then I have my last one plus 35. So I get the same answer either way I write it. It's which way works better for you and how you can keep all the numbers and exponents and everything straight. Totally fine either way you want to do it.